Have you tried everything, but money seems to slip away? This question might sound familiar to many people, but the truth is, the problem might lie in a hidden blockage you don't even realize. Let's dive deep and uncover what's really stopping you from reaching financial prosperity. Here's the good news. I'll show you how to change this quickly, and the transformation can start right now. Most people believe that lack of money is purely due to external factors, like work or the economy. But what if I told you the real reason for the lack of prosperity lies within you? In this video, I'll reveal the hidden reason blocking your prosperity, and best of all, teach you how to reverse it simply and effectively. Stay with me till the end, as these insights could transform your financial life. How many times have you tried to improve your financial situation, but something always seems to go wrong? Many of us have deeply ingrained negative emotions and thoughts about money, and this could be sabotaging your chances of success. What you feel and think about money directly impacts what you attract. That's why it's crucial to understand and heal this relationship now. If you've ever wondered why you're not attracting the wealth you deserve, it's time to take powerful action. Give this video a like, subscribe to Your Magic Life, and get ready to change your mindset and in turn, your financial reality. Don't miss this opportunity. Now, let's start our journey to uncover your limiting beliefs and mentally reprogram to attract the prosperity you've always wanted. Remember, you deserve to be wealthy, and together, we're going to make that a reality. Hidden barriers to prosperity. The biggest block to financial prosperity isn't external circumstances. It's within you, in your thoughts and limiting beliefs. Many people grow up hearing phrases like money is dirty or money doesn't bring happiness, and these beliefs sink into the subconscious. They stay there, acting as an invisible barrier, even when you're working hard to succeed. Limiting beliefs like, I don't deserve to be rich, or money is hard to earn create walls that block wealth from flowing into your life. Imagine someone who works hard daily, but never seems to save or advance financially. It might seem like the problem is in their actions, but often, what's really holding them back are these deeply rooted beliefs. They act as silent saboteurs, stopping the person from recognizing opportunities and taking the right actions to attract more money. The good news is this can be changed. To reverse these beliefs, you first need to identify them. You need to bring these unconscious thoughts to the surface. Start by reflecting on how you truly feel about money. It all begins with self-awareness, shining a light on the hidden blockages draining your financial energy. Just recognizing these thoughts puts you on the path to overcoming them. Do you believe you deserve to be rich? Are you afraid of losing money? The moment you recognize these beliefs, you can begin to replace them with new ones that support your prosperity. Many people who use this technique notice a big shift in how they view money. When you transform limiting beliefs, you start to see opportunities instead of obstacles. The path to abundance begins with inner transformation, and the faster you identify these barriers, the faster you can overcome them. If you recognize these patterns in yourself, comment below. I choose to break my limiting beliefs. Let's move forward together in this transformation process so you can finally attract the prosperity you deserve. The emotional relationship with money. Beyond limiting beliefs, negative emotions also play a major role in your relationship with money. Often, without realizing it, you may be harboring feelings of fear, anxiety, and even guilt about money. These emotions create negative energy that pushes prosperity away. The fear of losing money, for example, prevents you from taking opportunities that could bring more wealth. People who live in constant fear of losing money often sabotage themselves without realizing it. They avoid investments, don't seek promotions at work, or hesitate to start new ventures for fear of failure. These negative emotions create a low vibrational frequency, and since money is a form of energy, it won't flow where there is fear. To attract abundance, you must be emotionally aligned with money. The law of attraction teaches that what you emit, you attract. If your emotions about money are negative, you'll keep pushing prosperity away. Money isn't just paper, it's energy. And the energy you emit toward money determines if it flows in your direction or not. That's why changing your emotional relationship with money is essential to attracting wealth. Let's do a quick exercise now. Close your eyes for 30 seconds and think about large sums of money, what's the first emotion that arises? Is it fear, anxiety, or do you feel joy and excitement? Your emotional response to thinking about money is a clear sign of how you relate to it. Recognizing these feelings is the first step to transforming them. Share in the comments how you felt during this exercise. The more aware you are of your emotions regarding money, the faster you can reprogram them to attract wealth. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on reprogramming your emotions and thoughts to attract prosperity. How to reverse blockages quickly. Now that you've identified your mental and emotional blockages around money, let's talk about reversing them quickly. Change starts with reprogramming your subconscious. If for years you've held on to negative beliefs and emotions about money, it's time to replace these patterns with new ones that support abundance. The key is to start seeing money as a positive tool that is always available to you. A simple yet powerful technique for this reprogramming is using positive affirmations. Say out loud, "I deserve wealth. Money flows to me easily and constantly." Affirmations like these, when repeated daily, start replacing deeply rooted negative thoughts. The more you affirm these new beliefs, the more your subconscious will accept them as truth, and this will reflect in your reality. Success stories prove the power of this technique. Many people, after adopting a new money mindset, start noticing opportunities they previously overlooked. They feel more confident in investing, asking for more, and opening up to receive what life offers. This mindset shift creates a ripple effect that attracts prosperity. Remember, consistency is key to success. Make these affirmations a daily habit, and you'll see how your relationship with money starts to change. In just a few days, you'll begin to notice financial opportunities flowing toward you, almost like magic. This isn't a coincidence. It's the power of mental reprogramming. Try this technique for a week, and then come back to share your results. Daily practice is what turns blockages into bridges to prosperity. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. They create big impacts. The importance of aligned action. Changing your mindset is essential, but it's meaningless if you don't put things into motion. To consistently attract money, you need to align your actions with this new energy of abundance. What does this mean? It means making financial decisions that reflect the confidence and optimism you're cultivating. It's not enough to just think positively. Your actions need to align with what you want to attract. Many people make the mistake of changing their beliefs, but continue making decisions based on fear. This creates an internal conflict that blocks the flow of prosperity. To change this, start acting like someone who already lives in abundance. Invest in knowledge. Don't be afraid to take risks on new opportunities. And above all, make choices that reflect your desire for financial growth. Here are 3 concrete actions you can start taking today to attract more money. Invest in something that brings personal or professional growth. Avoid making financial decisions based on the fear of losing. Take the first step toward a financial dream, no matter how small it may be. Small steps aligned with an abundance mindset create a snowball effect, where money starts to flow more easily. And finally, share in the comments which actions you've already taken or plan to take from now on to attract more wealth. Today, you've learned the main hidden reasons blocking your prosperity: limiting beliefs, negative emotions, and lack of aligned action. To reverse this, just change your beliefs, adjust your emotions, and act according to your new mindset. Prosperity is within your reach, and you have the power to attract the money you desire. Remember, don't let your fears and blockages define your financial future. You deserve to be prosperous and live in abundance. The change starts now. If this video resonated with you, subscribe to Your Magic Life and share it with someone who also needs to discover these blockages. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive more powerful tips like these. To continue your learning, watch the video in the cards for easy access. In that video, you'll learn incredible techniques to boost your results. Don't give up, and see you in the next one.